Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 33. The cost of producing an additional unit of a firm's output is known as dash cost. A. Average, B. Fixed, C. Marginal, D. Total, E. Variable. So we are looking at the various forms of cost. Okay, the various forms of cost we may have. And in order for us to know which one suits this description given in the question, let's look at what each of the options mean. So for average cost is the per unit cost of production, obtained by dividing total cost by total output. So total cost is usually denoted by TC and total output is usually denoted by Q, as it represents also the total quantity of output. Now for fixed cost, a fixed cost is a cost that does not change with an increase or decrease in amount of goods or services produced or sold. Now a marginal cost, for marginal cost, is cost added by producing one additional unit of a product. So total cost, which is option D, is total economic cost of production. And then lastly, the variable cost, which is option E, refers to costs that change as quantity of goods and services produced changes. So the type of cost that changes as quantity of goods and services produced change is also known as the variable cost. Now we are asked for what the cost of producing an additional unit of output is known as, and when we're looking at marginal cost, which is option C, we said it is the cost added by producing one additional unit, that's an additional unit of a product, and a product is the output of a firm. So you can see that that definition is close to that given to us in the question. So the correct answer to this question is C, marginal cost. So the cost of producing an additional unit of a firm's output is known as marginal cost. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.